Coming to Porterville College was not the original plan for me. Originally, I was going to go straight to a four-year university. I submitted all my applications, I got accepted. About 2 weeks before I had to commit, I said, I don't know. I am so happy with my decision to go to Porterville College. All the opportunities that have come my way, I never expected. And now I feel even more prepared and more sure about what I want to do. So I'm majoring in advanced information systems. And so I'm looking into things such as cybersecurity, analysts, and I like computers. I like messing around with them and seeing what I can get them to do. There's not a lot of women in my class, but I think that drives me more, knowing that I'm a woman in a field that's mostly dominated by men. And there's so many more scholarships open for careers like this, especially being a woman. Even though I'm technically at the disadvantage, I feel like that puts me more at an advantage. I know what I'm learning here. I'm going to be able to directly apply to my career, and I'm really excited about that. Career education. Find it, be it.